What we're really trying to do is get to a point where we are able to understand the complexities of the rest of the body, how it reciprocally affects the brain functioning, and figure out points of intervention that we can push on to deliver an outcome that we wouldn't be able to deliver otherwise.
Our goal at Bridgepoint is to change the way Georgia thinks about treating mental illness. It's really about the patient, and our main goal is to care for them.
We're not rushed for time. We don't see 35 or 40 patients every day. We take our time spending with patient for each encounter.
Going to a psychiatrist's office seems really taboo. However, Bridgepoint Clinic is incredibly comfortable. You don't feel odd. There's no stigma around it, and you really look forward to coming here and getting the help that you need.
I was a kid coming in here thinking tomorrow was going to be my last day. And 5 years later, I'm graduating, going to college.
We have to look at the whole person concept. We can't just treat mental illness because there might be other things going on. I want to know, are you sleeping well? Are you eating well? Are you taking care of yourself? Let's not just treat the mind, let's treat the whole body.
I do video game therapy sometimes. We have a D&D therapy that's been offered. Anything from board game to virtual reality to let's talk about a narrative and how does that relate and what are you putting in there and what is it like if I pull on this thread, and let's take that reaction and see if it has deeper meaning.
There's a lot of factors that go into how medical systems, healthcare systems make decisions, and we wanted to be independent of all of those conflicting factors and focus on what's the most important, which is what the patient needs.
They truly pour their hearts into everything that they do, and I think it's an amazing place to make sure your family's well taken care of.
Just because someone has, an adversity or a diagnosis doesn't mean that they can't be helped. And the amount of change that we've had by being patients at Bridgepoint gives me a lot of hope for the future that I never thought that we would be able to experience.